I woke up this morning and this came to me. I decided to share it with my social media family. Single men and single women, please listen carefully. I've not memorized it, so I'll be reading it from my screen. It's better to wait for the right than rushing and get the wrong. Marriage is not a short holiday. I heard it is very long. It's on all day and on all night, in the darkness and in the light. In winter and in summer, it would be sad to wake up and be like, big mistake, bummer. I know you are getting older. It's summer, but the nights are getting colder. You want someone to cuddle. Please don't settle for a stranger. Your time is coming, you won't miss your flight. Stay patient, things will be alright. Mr. Right and Mrs. Right is coming soon. Stay focused. Good afternoon.